Yo, what is good? Today we have a Jordan 3 Dirty Bred Custom. The first thing you're going to want to do is clean the entire shoe, making sure that you remove the laces. Now you're going to want to tape off and strip the midsole with acetone. So for the midsole, I use black paint with a few drops of duller. You're going to want to re-tape the midsole after you stripped it with acetone so that there's fresh tape on. Be sure to use very light coats. You don't want to glob the paint on because then you're going to have paint marks or brush strokes, and nobody wants brush strokes. You can use a toothbrush to get the splatter effects. Just flick the paint on with the toothbrush. Now remove the tape and make any touch-ups if you need to. guys liked the video, please like and comment and subscribe for more videos.